na kami sa downtown Melbourne. Saan tayo punta?
This is Queen Victoria.
This is the Victoria Market, pero I think there's closed now. Ano nakikita dyan sa Queen Victoria?
Tourist spots.
One of the tourist spots here. Pasulubong ng that.
Here.
And then,
DJ's Grill.
we're going to the DJ's Grill. DJ's Grill.
Yeah, that's all.
Where? It's a Filipino restaurant here in Melbourne, so we'll try the food. We'll try the food. Yes, first time daw namin. First time na AA and DJ. So this is like a destiny. Kasi in destiny.
Yeah, better move on.
I'll try. Sige. Ito na yan.
You know,
DJ. Ayun na.
I can smell.
Like the Filipino adobo. What else do we have to eat? Talaga. Oh naman. Now na?
Pagbaba natin.
After. Sige. Ayan na, DJ Grill. DJ's Grill. Ayan. It's a Filipino restaurant here in Melbourne.
Siyempre pa kayo Filipino, kayo uwi ko na sa Pilipinas.
Ayan, oh. It's a taste of Bacolod in the Philippines. DJ's Grill. Ayan, ang DJ's Grill. Sige, tara, pasok po tayo. Tayo. Hello, nandito na kami. Hi. Kami. Dulog-dulog? Wow. Sige, tara.
Tatlo, tsaka prop.
There's people. Chicken.
Oh, sige.
Okay. Dito kami sa DJ's Grill. Ayan na.